Here we go. CNC group break number 1252, the triple up. We're going to start with the 11-12 H&P updates and Anthology. We start with a very, very nice autograph. We've got an autograph for the Boston Bruins. Malcolm Subban. And we've got a game-used jersey silver, which will be a random between everybody, Ryan Kujawinski. So we go now on to the Anthology. That was weird. All right. We got a Pinnacle rookie for the New York Rangers, Stu Bickle. We've got a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, number /499 for the Washington Capitals, Cody Eakin. Pinnacle rookie for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. He's a human rocket ship. Scores goals in the moon. Oh, there we go. That's a nice little hit. We've got a random for a starting 6 jersey, which will be randomed between the Rangers, Senators, Leafs, Canadiens, Devils, and Jackets. Carl Hagelin, Colin Graining, Matt Fratton, Rafael Diaz, Adam Larson, and Alan York. Starting 6 jersey. Pinnacle rookie for the Nashville Predators, Jeremy Smith. Pinnacle rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Andre Peterson. We got a Contenders rookie to $9.99 for the Nashville Predators, Gabriel Bork. We've got a limited Phenoms rookie auto, number /598 for the New York Rangers, Carl Hagelin. Nice. Carl Hagelin. This is a damn good box. We got a Rookie Rivalry dual jersey, which will be randomed between the Devils and Flyers, Adam Henrique, Eric Gustafson. Adam Henrique, Eric Gustafson. And we got a Crown Royal rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Andrew Shaw. And now to the topper. Has a luxury suite jersey and stick for the Anaheim Ducks, Saku Koivu. So coming up next, artifacts and